Welcome to Best Pick 2023 Top 5 Best Smart Window Air Conditioner Reviews and Buying Guide. Top 1. Midea U-shaped Smart Inverter Window Air Conditioner cools, ultra-quiet with open window flexibility, works with Alexa Google Assistant, 35% energy savings, remote control, 10,000 British thermal units, white. About this item. Ultra-quiet, the Midea U Smart Inverter AC unit is 9 times quieter than traditional units. The U-shaped design uses your window to block noise outside, and the high-efficiency inverter system warrants ultra-low noise and vibration. This design allows for extremely quiet operation as low as 42 dBA, almost as quiet as a library, so you can get a restful night's sleep or binge your favorite shows undisturbed. More than 35% energy savings. With the advanced DC inverter technology, Midea U achieves over 35% energy savings compared to other traditional units, and it's the first window AC to obtain the Energy Star Most Efficient 2022 certification. You may also get exclusive benefits from your local energy distributor. Flexible window opening. Midea U-shaped design allows your window to open, bringing fresh air into your home anytime and allowing you to maintain more of your view even when the unit is installed. The anti-theft mechanism locks the closed window for added security. Smart control. The Midea U Smart Inverter Air Conditioner is Wi-Fi enabled and can be controlled from anywhere through the cloud using the Midea Air app on iOS or Android. You can also use voice commands throughout your house, office, or apartment using Alexa or Google Assistant. Robust installation. Install the included quick snap bracket, set the unit on the bracket, and secure the sidearms. After that, you are all done and ready to enjoy. Available for single hung or double hung windows with size 22 inches - 36, minimal height at 13.75 inches, 5 inches. Top 2. hOmeLabs 14,500 British thermal units window air conditioner with smart control, low noise AC unit with eco mode, LED control panel, remote control, and 24 hours timer. About this item. Smart control air conditioner. This Wi-Fi enabled 14,500 British thermal units window air conditioner allows you to conveniently control cooling. It's easy. Just press the smart button to pair it with your mobile phone and start taking control via the hOmeLabs app. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant too. With dimensions of L19.88 x 20.86 h 16.14 n, this 1,270 W AC unit can cool any room or space up to 650 square feet. Energy Star Efficiency. Higher energy efficiency offers more value than non-Energy Star units, so you can't go wrong with this Energy Star certified air conditioner. This AC is also CEC, DOE, and CSA certified. Multifunctional window AC. Whether it's efficiently cooling a room through the cool mode, reducing humidity for your comfort through the dry mode, or getting rid of stale air through the FAN mode, this unit has it all and more. Easily create the perfect environment and take advantage of other features such as the 24 hours timer, eco, sleep, and follow me. Easy to install. This does not require a professional for successful installation. In as fast as 15 minutes, you can install it yourself and start enjoying a cooler, more comfortable home. Although, having a second person to help with the installation is recommended. See the manual for your complete, easy-to-follow installation instructions. Low noise operation. This air conditioner has a low noise level of 56 to 61 decibels, so there won't be any disturbance while it's running in the background cooling your space. Whether you're watching your favorite series, reading a good book, or catching up on sleep, this unit promotes better relaxation. Top 3. LG LW2422i VSM 23,500 British thermal units dual inverter smart window air conditioner, cools 1,440 square feet, ultra quiet operation, up to 50% savings, Energy Star, ThinQ, Amazon Alexa and Hey Google, 230-208 V, 23,500, white. About this item. Revolutionary dual inverter technology gives powerful yet silent performance, operating at sound levels as low as 44 decibels in sleep mode. Dual inverter technology is up to 50% more energy efficient than the Energy Star certification requirement, saving you energy and money. LG ThinQ technology lets you control your LG air conditioner from anywhere. You can start or stop cooling, change the mode, or set the temperature while on the go. It also works with Amazon Alexa and Hey Google, so you can change settings with simple voice commands. 4 cooling and fan speeds with Auto Cool allow you to customize your cooling. LW2422 IVSM is ideal for cooling large rooms, 36x 40 feet up to 1440 square feet. Top 4. Dreo Window Air Conditioner, 8000 British thermal units U-shaped inverter AC unit, cools up to 350 square feet, 42 dB ultra quiet, easy installation with open window flexibility, 35% energy savings, remote control. About this item. Cools large rooms, efficiently cools down your room or office with Dreo 8000 British thermal units variable speed window air conditioner, with directional air louvers that allow this window unit to blow cold air to the left, the right, the up and down, covering larger spaces of up to 350 square feet. Install in minutes, cool 4 seasons. Thanks to its pre-assembled design, Dreo AC window unit saves you 30 to 50% time on installation compared to traditional window air conditioners. All you have to do is slide it in and secure with screws. Super easy to install and also burglar-proof. Every sound minimized, maintain your focus at work or enjoy a great rest at night. This noise-canceling mechanism in Dreo's window air conditioner greatly reduces noise from itself and the outside. The 42 decibels quiet operation keeps your room peaceful as a library. Energy Star certified, low power operation and Dreo inverter compressor give your new window air conditioner a 35% boost in energy savings compared to conventional compressors. Energy Star certified with a 15.0 CER rating to help you stay cool and keep electric bills low. Window requirements: weight 61.7 pounds per 28 kilograms. You can install this AC window unit on windows with width between 25 inches and 36 inches, 635mm-930 mm. The lower sash must allow for 14.5 inches of vertical clearance when open. Top 5. Whirlpool White Energy Star 18,000 British thermal units 230V window-mounted air conditioner remote control AC for rooms up to 1000 Sq.Ft LCD display auto restart 24 hours timer WHAW182BW, 18,000. About this item. Powerful cooling capacity. The 18,000 British thermal units window air conditioner is powerful enough to cool rooms up to 1,000 square feet with 4.75 pints per hour of dehumidification, including your apartment, bedroom, living room or any environment. Functionality: electronic control panel with digital display and 3 cooling speeds, eco mode, sleep mode, and programmable 24-hour on-off timer with 8-way directional air louvers to give consumers multiple options for comfort. Remote control included for easy control. Energy Star rated cooling. Energy Star efficiency saves you money on your electric bill, 11.9 ER. Easy to install, comes with a quick and effective window mounting kit that allows for easy installation in windows with minimum window height of 19 inches. Replaceable filter. Clean alert indicates when air filters should be replaced or removed and washed for convenient maintenance. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.